Hey guys, it's been 6 months now since I uploaded my review of the Lost Dutchman Finnigan wallet, and you can watch that right up here if you're interested in getting to know the details about this wallet. This will be just a short video as a 6-month update after having used this wallet daily pretty much for the last 6 months, as I said. And I have to say I'm very happy with it and the way it's held up. You can obviously see the patina now, which has blossomed in this really dark, nice dark brown color. Under the strap here you can see it was kind of that shade of lighter brown before the use, and now it's become much darker, which is very nice. On the inside I had this monogrammed, as I said in my original video. Still very nice. Stitching has given me no trouble, of course. Very good product right here. I'd love to get my hands on more wallets from Lost Dutchman. The problem is that the shipping to my country is really not worth it, so I guess I have to stick with this, not that I'm complaining. I generally carry 6 cards in this, as well as cash and my Victorinox Swiss card classic. Right now I actually have 5 cards, but yeah, I usually carry 6. You know, just some loyalty cards or stuff. As I said in my original video as well, this Victorinox Swiss card here makes up for pretty much, I think, like 4 cards at least. So I believe the wallet is advertised as holding 10 cards plus cash. Here's a look at the flesh side of the leather, also very nice. And this wallet still smells amazing, really, after all this time, 6 months. Yeah, it still has that really nice leather smell. So I don't see myself really changing wallet anytime soon. As I said, I'd have been very interested to try out the Big Fin, I believe it's called. It's kind of the larger version for this, although I don't really need much more space, but it has this kind of squarish design. This is more, of course, rectangular, so I'd have liked to check that. And yeah, I have the cash here, which I fold up this way, and just no problem at all to get to it. So yeah, big thumbs up to Nate from Lost Dutchman for this amazing product. I'm very happy with it. I can very easily recommend it if you love leather wallets. There are also sometimes special drops of special colorways for the Finnigan or other wallets from Lost Dutchman. Those are really nice as well, because you get like different colorways with different colored straps and such, so they are pretty limited edition, get sold out very quickly. Again, I'd have loved to nab one, but my main issue is with the shipping costs. So if you live in the US, perhaps it's more worthwhile to get on that train, basically. So yeah, if you have any questions, of course, feel free to comment down below. As I said, if you'd like the more in-depth review of this product, you can check out my original video, which I will link in the description as well. That's basically it. Perhaps we'll do a 1-year update video on this wallet in due course. Yeah, I wish you guys a nice day. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Bye bye.